Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of glass bottle manufacturing. Ever wondered how a simple glass bottle holds incredible manufacturing secrets? Let's find out. Glass bottles are a ubiquitous part of our daily lives, from holding our favorite beverages to preserving essential oils and perfumes. The process of manufacturing glass bottles involves a level of complexity and precision that is truly mind-blowing. Producing glass bottles at scale requires intricate machinery and processes that ensure each bottle is shaped with utmost accuracy and quality. From the initial melting of raw materials to the shaping and cooling stages, every step in the manufacturing process plays a crucial role in creating the perfect bottle. Now, let's explore the heart of glass bottle manufacturing, the machinery and processes that transform molten glass into the iconic bottles we see on store shelves. The intense heat, precise molds, and skilled craftsmanship all come together to create a symphony of production that results in millions of bottles being produced every day. But here's the key moment: the industry's secrets and innovative technologies that drive efficient and high-quality glass bottle production. From automated production lines to cutting-edge techniques in glass shaping and decoration, the industry is constantly evolving to meet the growing demand for glass packaging. In conclusion, the world of glass bottle manufacturing is truly a marvel to behold. The blend of artistry, technology, and precision creates products that are not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Next time you hold a glass bottle, remember the intricate journey it took to reach your hands. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing insights into manufacturing processes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.